morning, everyone. Welcome back with me again. Okay, this time I'm here in Gianyar area. Actually, I'm visiting a place which is starting to be famous, and a lot of local people talk about this cafe, guys. It is a waterfall with a cafe. We call it Bangkyang Jaran Waterfall, if I'm not mistaken, and the name of the cafe is Hutan Indah Cafe. And of course, I will share it later, the location, Google Map location on my video. So without further ado, let's go and see how is this place, guys. This is the front side. You see the sign here, Bangkyang Jaran Waterfall, Hidden Canyon. And I have that nice garden here in the front side. Still, there are some work ongoing here. It's not fully done yet, or maybe they're adding some facilities here, not really sure as well. But let's see. Yeah, here. A lot of bamboo here. And for the price of the ticket is 30,000 rupiah per person. Bangkyang Jaran. Entrance tickets 30k per person. So I paid 60k for two of us. It is a bit different actually. Normally Indonesian and foreigner, we have different tickets. Not really sure why, but most of the places like that. And this is the front side, guys. Let's have a look here. I think there will be a new cafe here. This one is not done yet, still under the project. And look at the view. This is the view, jungle view, and the cafe must be down there. So let's take a walk down. Hey, you ready to go down? Yeah. Okay, you walk, yeah? Okay. And there is a stairs here. This is kind of like a shortcut. If you don't want to walk far, you can go here, go down, and then you will arrive just next to the cafe. But this time, I want to walk here, enjoy their garden. I'm just curious to see actually about their place, and let's see. Yeah, a lot of plantation here, which is good. Wow, look at this papaya. But not really sure what happened with the fruits, yeah. It's not really big. I mean, it's random. Big, small, small, very small, big on the top there. Let's keep walking. Hey! Nah, wait for me. Wait for me. She's very happy to walk around. Hey, you have. Hello. Say hi. Hello. Hello, Pa. Hello, everyone. Hey, hello, everyone. Like that. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone, Papa. Anyway, around in this area, there are a lot of waterfall spots that you can visit, like this one, what you call that, Bangkyang Jaran. I've never been to this waterfall, but I've been to the other one, like Taman Sari, which is close by from here. And then after Taman Sari, we have the Tibumana waterfall as well. So if you like to visit waterfalls, for example, you're staying around Ubud, I think you can explore this area, and then you can finish it like whole day, guys, to visit, because there are a lot of waterfalls. Some of them you can swim as well, like Taman Sari waterfall. It is very good. It looks like a pool, but it's natural. It is a part of the waterfall or river, so you can swim there. Okay, let's go down. And it is bamboo design, bamboo style. Yeah, come. See, there's a big table here. If you bring your group, like 6 people, you can come here. This is the bar here. There are a lot of spots to sit and enjoy. Hello. Sit and enjoy. You can see here, enjoy the view of the jungle. And here also, it must be live music maybe here, yeah. And that is the waterfall. Wow. It looks good. Not really big, but it's good. Okay, let's go down to the cafe first. Let this princess sit here first before I walk around. Mbak, kapan buka ya ini ya?
2 bulan.
2 bulan ya? Oh,
Dari mana?
dari asli di Gianyar sini. Siangan, Loksprana.
Siangan juga.
Siangan apa?
Siladan.
Siangan apa?
Siladan.
Oh, Siladan. Oh. She is from my village as well. Close by from here. Okay, makasih. Okay. So they started to open not long ago, like 2 months ago, guys. Jam berapa rame biasanya?
Ramenya sore, nanti sore ada fire dance ya setiap Sabtu.
Oh ya? Oh. Tapi setiap
Sabtu ya.
setiap hari ada aja, apa Sabtu aja? Apa ada?
Akustik biasanya.
Oh, akustik.
Fire dance-nya setiap hari Sabtu.
Oh, gitu. Di mana biasanya fire dance?
Di sana di jembatan sama di sebelah jalan sana.
Oh, gitu.
Sekitar jam 6:30 sampai jam 7.
Oh, okay. Kasih ya. And also she said that there's always like something performance here every weekend. Normally they will have like fire dance, but every day, normally at evening, they will have like acoustic music. Maybe the one that we saw earlier up there. Let's go and see what they have, guys. The food or the menu. Hutan Indah. Brunch and light fare. What is this? Berries, French toast. 65K. Burrito breakfast. 85K. And a lot more. This is brunch and light fare. Fresh fruit bowl, 70K. Sweet pancake, 70K. And what else here? Shareable platter, jungle platter. You can see calamari, basically seafood, Korean barbecue chicken, fried chili squid, salad, and etc. And this is the main course, salmon. This is the price, 185. And what is this? Grass-fed ribeye, 235, and a lot more. And side dish here. Let's get closer to the waterfall, guys. Anyway, if you don't want to eat, you can visit the waterfall as well because you have paid already the entrance tickets to the waterfall. This is the waterfall. You can swim here if you like. It's not really tall, but it is okay. It's quite good. And that is a bridge here. And hidden canyon right there. Let's just keep walking. It is nice to walk around in this kind of area sometimes, just to hear the sounds of birds and the waterfall without honkings. Okay, but when it's wet, maybe the the road will be a bit slippery, so you need to be careful. And we go to the hidden canyon. And you will see some spiders, but no need to worry. Actually, the spiders, they are not like deadly spiders. Some of you may scare to see the spiders, but it is fine actually. There are some people providing the service, so must be there is a guide local, and you can walk around here at the canyon. I will ask the price of the guide here about the service. Here's the hidden canyon. There's a small waterfall as well. But no worry, there is no crocodile here. Pagi Pak, Niki ada turnya berarti Niki nggih?
Ke dalam nih kan?
Oh ke dalam?
Iya, itu spot di dalam.
Ke dalam habis Niko. Itu dari mana nih kan?
Kan waterfall lain lagi. Dua orang reng.
Oh gua Rangreng. Punya juga kayak gini, kayak guide yang keliling.
Mereka rutin ke sini.
Oh gitu.
Dan jangan kita.
Kalau
Bayar tiket ya.
oh gitu. Berarti kalau yang di sini buat ini aja.
Iya.
Namanya bayar berapa Pak kalau ini?
Donasi kalau
Oh donasi aja. Ada minimumnya?
Enggak.
Nggak ada ya? Berapa aja?
Berapa?
Oh gitu. Yeah, I asked the local people here, and they're providing the guide service to explore this hidden canyon. And there is no like exact fee, guys. So you just need to do some donation. Wow, look at this! It's really big fish. Oh my god! Wow! It is very, very seldom time that we can see big fish like this on the river. And this fish looks like it doesn't scare to people. They just swim around like this. Wow! Look. Woo! Siapa yang punya nih Pak? Ricky?
Sebenarnya ikan liar ya.
Oh,
Karena sering dikasih makan itu.
oh gitu.
Iya.
Oh. Yeah, like I said before, there is no like exact price to do the trekking here with the guide. You just need to do some donation, guys. And I think if you like to explore this kind of place, hidden canyon, waterfall, jungle like this place can be an option for you. And also, it's not hard to reach. Maybe from Ubud, it is about 30 minutes drive. Yeah, something like that. Wow, you got your food. Do you like it? Oh, that one, this one. Okay. Mmm. Thank you.
You know now
Yeah.
you eat.
Okay, let's try the pizza.
Itu ada sambelnya tapi dikit.
Oop.
Papa, makan aja boleh.
Hmm.
You want to have also now?
The pizza is good. Tastes like pizza. But I prefer to have my babi guling. Anyway, yeah, as I showed you the menu earlier, they have also nasi goreng or fried rice, which is Indonesian food, some Western food or pastas like this. And regarding the price, I leave it up to you, but for locals, maybe this kind of place is slightly more expensive if you compare than other regular warung. But of course, we locals don't come here like every day. We just buying the experience maybe, yeah. Okay, so I think that's all for this time video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again in the next one. Thank you very much and bye now. Dek, say bye, say bye.
Bye.
Bye.